So today is gonna be the day I finish the spoiler. I'm actually gonna paint it because I actually bought all the paint. It's in Amazon. It's been about like a week since I did the last part of the video. And I'm also going to paint the new rear lip spoiler that came in the mail today, so that's also why. But first, I'm gonna get some coffee, and then we're gonna start the rest of the video, so let's get to it. Okay,
we're gonna film from out here today.
Alright. That works. Ooh, that actually looks really nice. Something like this. It goes like right over the thing. I gotta like... Oh god. This car literally is like a Frankenstein white car. Like the skirts are slightly off. The spoiler isn't even white. This thing is black. Like, I hate it. So I'm gonna do it at least sort of right and at least prime this so it all looks nice, and then spray it with perfect match white and then some clear coat. So end of the day, hopefully all works out. Yeah. So welcome to the next day. It's really bright out. Not really, it's a little overcast, but I'm under a tree. So I got to hope that nothing falls on the bumper when I'm getting painted. I'm taking off the bumper. I also have to cut out a chunk of where the tailpipe is. I gotta cut a chunk out for the little tailpipe, because when I upgrade it, it's gonna go like this. Doesn't look like it's gonna be clearing the ground. I'll be right back. Idea is that when I pull this to move it back into the garage, I can just pull this middle one. These will drag and it'll go straight into my garage. Alright, first of all, you're here to see finished product. So, I'm not gonna explain exactly step by step how to do everything because you can look that up yourself. I'm just gonna spray a primer, spray a color, spray a clear, not do any sanding almost whatsoever because I'm lazy and this is at the bottom of my car. So, you're just gonna see me spraying it all down, bringing it in. Done. Alright, so I made a big oops like I said earlier. I'm gonna cut this out first. We will see. I should be okay. Yeah, it looks good for a first time for everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep painting this and see where the day takes us. All right, so in the mail today, Amazon came with a package, and that is JB Weld plastic, more Bondo, and scrapers. So I'm hoping that what I did right here was I extended out this blue tape. It acts as the reference because I need to basically extend it out because when they made this, they're missing a little bit. I've been trying to shave down this whole thing for a while and I realized that I shouldn't be shaving, I should be adding. So hopefully I can successfully add that little extra bit and it should fit. So let's see.
Tell you what to do. Hey,
so while we were waiting for that, while we were waiting for the spot paint to dry, I actually started sanding down the spoiler a little more, and it's almost good. I'm gonna add a little more right here. I have officially sanded this and resprayed it, as well as this area as well. I've resprayed. I'm going to probably sand this with a light 600, 800 grit later, but also resprayed this part, and I fixed this area that I screwed up earlier. There was a lot of paint messed up there, so I fixed it. I added Bondo here to fix it, and I added this last little bit, so it's all good. And I'm gonna sand this down tomorrow, sand that down a little bit with a high grit sandpaper, and then clear it, and then spray this. And it should be cleared this weekend and be posted on Tuesday, so let's go tomorrow. Gotta start off the day with a coffee and a cookie. I'm gonna sand, clear, sand, paint, and maybe clear today, but for sure I'm gonna paint it today. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. I'm not gonna just kind of talk through it because I've already talked about it enough. I've painted twice already at this point. So I'm just gonna skip through all of it. I might time lapse it, we'll see, but for sure this will be the end of the video. So I'm gonna show the finished product in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, I'll tell you what to do. Hey, need to pay your dues. Oh, don't be wasting any precious time now. Gotta shake it on. We all face the bad intentions up to you. Oh, you. Don't be giving them attention up to you. Why don't you want now?
To be honest, I screwed myself. These are off color as hell. This is supposed to be white. The can was this color. This is what it came out to be. Duplicate color, universal, white. Nah. Am I gonna repaint this? Hell no. Am I gonna rewrap it? Not anytime soon. So this car is gonna have 3 different whites on it. It's gonna be great. Let's look on the bright side. On camera, this doesn't look too off, but it is off. Actually, no, it looks really off. But on the other bright side, now my off-white side skirt matches my off-white spoiler, which matches my off-white. Yeah, no, this is like 3 different kinds of white. But let's just keep it like that for now. I don't feel like doing much of this, but it looks pretty good. I wish I didn't mess this up. You just see me putting it on, and you see how bad this is. I just trolled myself. Should I have wrapped it? Probably. Would I have learned how to paint? No. Would I have pissed off my neighbor? Nah, if I wrapped it, I wouldn't have, but I did. So I slightly pissed off my neighbor, so I'm not gonna paint again, ever again. Not, if I ever paint my car, I'll get it actually done. But maybe wrap that in the future, we'll see. So, hope you enjoyed. Give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe for more content like this. And remember, on Thursday, in 2 days, the next Japan vlog should come out. So, thanks for watching. Bye!